On a sunny day, I'm always on the lookout for bold, vibrant colours, and I love the mural on the side of this building here. But what I really want to get across in this picture are those bold colours, so let's see what's the best approach to do that. I'm going to start with the 1x lens, and I quite like the colours and the bold blue of the sky behind it, but it's not quite looking as saturated as it does in real life. So what I'm going to do is go for the 0.5x, and this wide view kind of concentrates the colours into a smaller area while also giving me the drama of this wide angle coverage. And I think the colours are already looking better. I really like the blue sky behind the building and the fact that we can see more of it, but I'm still lacking a bit of drama in this picture. So what I'm going to do is just angle the camera down a little bit and maybe even crouch down a little, and that is giving me a much nicer composition. And that to me already looks much better because it's ultra wide. I've still got the sky on either side, but I want to see more of the entrance here. All I have to do now is be very careful to position this entrance section right in the center of the frame, make sure that it's not angled too much to the side, and then take my shot. Okay, let's review what I've got. In this shot, I've used the standard 1x lens and looked up at the building, and you can see what I'm trying to do here with the colors and the blue sky around it. But this composition is just lacking drama, and again, it's not looking as colorful as it did to me in real life. For this picture, I've switched to the 0.5x ultra wide lens, and that is already giving me lots more drama. I've got the sides of the building, I've got lots of deep blue sky around it, but I still feel it's a messy composition. I've cut off the bottom of the door here, so it doesn't quite look as good as I'd hoped. For this view, I've used the 0.5x ultra wide lens, so I'm getting all of the drama and the side of the building and plenty of deep blue sky around it, but I've more carefully composed the shot, angling down and crouching down a little bit to include the bottom of the door frame here, and being very careful to keep this entrance section dead in the middle of the view. And this is the shot that I post.